I'm back from camping, and if you had just followed my previous videos, I had removed this front seat, and it was mainly so I could sleep more comfortably. But unfortunately, I had a airbag light, which I assumed I would get, um, and I'm putting the seat back in, and it was pretty easy to remove. There's these big Torx 50 bolts, just one on each side. You remove those and the seat tilts forward and lifts out. And ironically, it's easier to remove it from the whole rear end, out the hatch, or you can scoot it back all the way and kind of tilt it toward you and bring out the seat part first out the driver's or the passenger side. And the other thing I had to do is remove this seatbelt tensioner. So there's a little plug right there, and that's held in by a Torx 50 as well, and that thing just slides out. So, and then there's a airbag plug harness down there that I removed. So pretty easy to remove the seat. Now the trick is, or the catch is, will I have an airbag light even after I replace the seat? So we're gonna find out. So let me finish installing this seat and I'll fire her up and see what happens. On the back side here, there's this little plastic cover that clips in. Okay, so that's clipped in. This is what it looks like without the passenger seat pad. So there's these little tabs, or ports I guess, that passenger seat pad clips into. So there's these like little metal rings here that just seat down into those little clips. I just clip in. Alright, and then so the seat rest here, or the headrest, there's a tab here that you push in, and this side is kind of hidden a little bit. It's a little bit harder to get to, but you pull it all the way out from that side and then you release it from that side. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. After car camping for 12 days and having the passenger seat out, airbag light on, let's see if it goes away. Nice. So you can totally go car camping, remove the passenger seat, have more room, plug it back in, and it's gonna operate just fine. So no check engine light, no airbag light, everything's working beautiful. All right, so there you have it. If you want to go car camping in your Volt and you want some extra space, feel free to remove that passenger seat. It's a little laborsome, 2 bolts in the rear, it's kind of heavy, 2 hooks in the front, lifts forward, and airbag harness down below, and then seatbelt tensioner remove, and that seat pulls right out. All right, have fun car camping and enjoy your Chevy Volt and running the air conditioner while you sleep. It was a beautiful, comfortable atmosphere to sleep in. So enjoy car camping in your Volt.